Creations, and in this video I'm going to be showing you this fun gift card using the Bewitching bundle. All right, this is my gift card. So I placed a little gift card holder using the mini pocket envelope dies, which you can find in the annual catalog. Super cute. So you can use it as a pocket, but I think it's perfect for a gift card. I also use this die for the sentiment. So for this card, I started off with a Parakeet Party card base, and I'm going to layer this black and white designer series paper from the mini catalog onto a piece of basic black that's 4 by 5 1/4, and this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Then I've used the rectangle dies for another layer, and so this rectangle die is the 3rd largest rectangle die right here. And then, like I said, I used the mini pocket envelope die to cut out this little pocket here. So I'm going to fold it. This is super easy. And then fold the 2 tabs in. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. These are super thin, so I'm just going to use the glue to adhere them, or you could use the thin red liner tape if you have some of that. That would work nicely as well, and it looks like this. So it's 1/8 thick. So I'm just gonna move this over here, and I'm gonna use a block to hold this down for me so I don't have to sit here holding this down, or I could probably use the punch. La la la. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna adhere the base together, and then we will stamp the witch's hat and the witch's legs. I have a little tip for you when using black and stamping on colored cardstock. So that didn't quite go where I wanted it. So let's place it a little bit better. There we go. And both of these are on dimensionals. So I'm going to add some dimensionals to both of these. All right, so now we're going to do some stamping on Gorgeous Grape using the Stamparatus. So here's the Stamparatus, and I'm just going to remove the stamp that I had here before from the Best Witches, and I'm going to stamp the polka dot. I'm going to do the polka dot, and I'm just going to place it. Let's go ahead and put the magnet down. I'm going to place it right about there so I can punch that out. And while I am stamping that, I will stamp the legs as well, 2 for 1. Okay, so this is my tip, just to use the Stamparatus when you're stamping Memento black on colored cardstock, or even just on white cardstock. It's really great to use the Stamparatus because if it's not black and crisp enough for you, like it's not for me when I just stamp it once, you can keep, so you see how there's kind of a lot of spots coming through. This one's pretty good. There's only one tiny spot. You can ink it up again and again and again and get it as dark and as crisp as you like. Look how nice, dark, and crisp that is. Love it. Okay, whoops, we're gonna stamp the sentiment. And so I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna just clean these off. You can clean them off with the chamois or with a wet wipe. Just didn't have my chamois ready. And now I'm going to stamp the sentiment. The sentiment is from the Charming Sentiments. I wanted a just for you since we're doing a gift card. So I'm just going to take a small piece of Gorgeous Grape, and I'm just going to place this right where I want it. We'll pick that up How come we're not picking this up? Probably because it's sticking. And then we'll just ink that up a couple times. Oh, that's nice and crisp. Okay, I like that right there. So we're just gonna keep that one. We can clean that off, move that aside. And now we're going to cut some things out and punch out the witch's hat. So we'll start by punching out the witch's hat with the Witch Hat Builder Punch. Of course, I'm looking at this upside down so I can line this up as well as I possibly can. Don't forget to save your stars because you can make a fun shaker card with your stars. So there's a little sneak peek of my easy shaker card class that I am doing in October through Hobby School. I'm one of the teachers. So I'm going to be sending out an email with more information about that. You'll also get some free gifts. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and tell you more about it. So if you aren't on my email list, make sure you join my email newsletter list. I'm using a new program. So make sure that you're subscribed by going to my website, elainescreations.net. And there on the right-hand side, you're gonna see my newsletter subscription opt in or sign up. So make sure to sign up, and I'm going to be sending out information later today about the Hobby School classes. I'm a teacher for one of the classes, but there are many other classes that are part of the presentation that will be happening later on in October that it's going to be super fun. You won't want to miss. And each of the teachers is providing a gift. So there will be lots of gifts that you won't want to miss out on. I'm going to be providing tutorials, free tutorials for my gift. So make sure to check out my email when I send it out. All right, so I'm just cutting out the witch's boots and stockings here. If you have a brother scan and cut, that is also helpful because cutting inside the witch's boots, since they curl up, is a little bit tricky, but it's still doable. And let's see, I'm gonna fix this over here a little bit because that doesn't look so great. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to go in here. Okay, I'm just gonna go a little bit first. Okay. All right. So we have the witch's hat, we have the witch's stockings. Now we are going to cut out the sentiment using the mini pocket dies that we used. So we're going to use this die right here. And I have my little mini machine. And then just place the top. All right, so now we can assemble the card. So here's the card, and here is our card base, and our envelope should be sealed and dry now, so we can adhere it to the card base. Oh, I think I just ran out. Blah. So I'm gonna tilt it, make it kind of fun. And then these two, I'm gonna put on dimensionals. So here's the witch's hat, and here's the sentiment, just for you. And then for the gift card, what I did is I put glue dots on the witch's legs and then slid them into the card. So I'll get another gift card and put it in here. And that is my gift card holder, or gift card holder card. So I'm offering a free class when you purchase this bundle. I've got a little TikTok witch, and I've also got a double slider witch. Just purchase the bundle using my current host code or place a $50 order. And please email me and let me know that you would like this kit so I can send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial using the Bewitching bundle. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment. And I hope you try making one of your own. If you do, I would love if you would post a picture on my Facebook page, Elaine's Creations, or facebook.com/Elaine's Creations. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.